Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell about anime Dororo. When my channel was in Russian language, I do review of the anime, but I think this type of video become too antiquated. I think it's last video like that, I don't know. Let's go! This anime captivates with its atmosphere. At the same time it's some horror and aesthetic of old Japan with that samurai. In short, ruler of a country like to become best, but in his territory drought and famine. So he sold his son.
He is certainly alive, but has no limbs to walk, eyes to see, nor a nose to smell. He has not even skin to cover his body.
To demons. One of them can't eat the boy for some reason. Maybe help God to save him. Summing up, the mid-fives save the child. I really like anime vibe. Just check this.
Nice.
But we have met with main person. Transgender. Sorry, I'm just kidding. The Dora, she's just used to being a boy. Like all anime, it becomes cringe and try to guess into humor. But it's just an attempt. This anime can be better if Dororo gone in the start like this. Boy from beginning become a super pooper teenager. Wow, let's give him name, maybe Bob or Doll, because Japan names so hard to pronounce.
Are you serious right now?
But despite all the cliches, he was attracted without emotions.
No, I don't think that he's looking at us. His eyes.
Killed demons to return his body.
What is it? What's wrong? Are you okay? Hey!
I will tell all adventures Doll with Dororo. I like the moment that everyone, and also kind character, wants to prevent him from becoming human. Since that he says that he acting like demon.
You may no longer be human.
Bullshit. The main thing, it's not a relationships of a family. I don't think so. Because in place of Bob, Doll, main character, I don't surprise to my mother like this. It's like, you're my mother? Oh, I kill you. Thanks God I'm not a writer for mangas and animes. Sorry me please. He continues to fight for what is rightfully his. And this is the main idea of anime.
I am! That is our land's demise! No! It's mine! I'm getting it back! I'm getting everything back!
People wanted to feed on the boy's sacrifice, but he proved that you must to fight what you want. Yeah.
Because we still end up depending on them to do things for us. If we want to protect something, if there's something that we want, then like Big Bro, we have to do it. We have to do whatever it takes and grab a hold of it with our own hands. But we must become stronger to do that. We need to gather our strength together.
And evil person is humans, not Dororo. It was clickbait. On this quote, bye.